Going to be making slime today. This is 3 finished products. This very purple, kind of like a pink color, and then like a kind of darkish pinkish color. And this is the one I'm going to be making today. So we'll just put those away. You need 2 bowls. This right here is the borax mix with the water and dissolve. Okay. So then you need this. You need to get glue. Put the desired amount in there. There's my glue. You need shaving cream. This is fluffy slime. But if you don't want to make fluffy slime, you just don't add the shaving foam. There's my shaving foam. Just get a good look at that. So take something to mix with. I'm using a butter knife. I will come back when it's all mixed. Okay, so it's all mixed up. So then what you want to do is grab some lotion. Don't know if you can see it right there, but grab lotion. Then I'm just going to add some glitter. You don't have to, but I'm going to. I'm going to add 3 colors. It's very bright pink, gold, and then a purple. I'm gonna mix it and I'll come back when it's all mixed. I was planning on adding some purple, but I decided not to. So there's the finished product. Push that aside. And you're gonna go over here and get the borax mix. And then you're gonna take this. Mix it a little bit more. What you're gonna do is take this substance and pour it into here. I will come back when it's all poured out. So it's all poured, and anything off the rim, you're gonna put back in there. So then you're gonna try to mix it a little with your finger. And then when it does that, grab it. Just keep dunking it back in there. So you just want to knead it, and it's kind of all over my hands, but just keep kneading it until it's a substance that you want, and I will come back when it's all kneaded. Okay, it's all kneaded. And you just want to get it off the utensil that you used to put it in there and mix it. And then what you want to do is any extra, like in the rims and in here, you just want to get off. I'll come back when it's all done. There we go. It's all kneaded. go check out my AMSR video where I just play with the slime. Except I colored it. Of course, does not come off my finger. Put it away. Bye, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, I love you guys. I hope you keep watching.